Welcome to our channel. Today we how to optimize cloud storage solutions with Dropbox, complete guide step by step clearly. To optimize your cloud storage solutions with Dropbox, start by creating a Dropbox account if you don't have one. Visit Dropbox.com and click on the Sign Up button. Fill out the required details, including your name, email address, and password. Once your account is created, you will be directed to the Dropbox dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the interface, noting the sidebar that lists your files and folders. Next, install the Dropbox application on your computer or mobile device for easier access. Download the app from the Dropbox website or your device's app store. After installation, log in with your account credentials. Now, sync your important files and folders to Dropbox. Drag and drop files from your desktop into the Dropbox folder on your computer. Alternatively, click the Upload button within the Dropbox web interface to select and upload files. Consider organizing your files into folders for better management. Create folders by clicking the New Folder option, then name them according to categories like work, personal, or projects. Use the search feature to quickly locate files when needed, enhancing efficiency. Explore the sharing options to collaborate with others on documents. Right-click on any file or folder to select Share, then enter the email addresses of those you want to collaborate with. Adjust the sharing settings to allow edits or view-only access as needed. To optimize storage space, regularly review and delete unnecessary files. Keep an eye on your storage quota to avoid exceeding limits. Utilize Dropbox file recovery feature for restoring deleted items within 30 days. To further enhance your experience, explore Dropbox extensions and integrations with apps you already use, like Microsoft Office or Slack. Make use of Smart Sync options to save space on your hard drive. With Smart Sync, files can be viewed in the Dropbox app but won't take up storage on your device. Finally, take advantage of Dropbox Paper for project collaboration and brainstorming by creating shared documents. By following these steps, you'll optimize your cloud storage solution with Dropbox effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel